The Chief Executive Officer of LNDC, Mr. Joshua Stipa, says the signing is the strengthening of a relationship with LDF, which they started some time back with the objective of seeing how they can resuscitate Basotho fruit and vegetable canners. The idea here is to address its supply problems and bring it back to its full capacity. He says the other partner, Obtala, brings the expertise needed to reach high level of production and also bring market access in the European food market.
By signing this agreement today, we want to say to the nation and also to the farming community and to all our stakeholders that we are going to put this cannery back to the level where it is supposed to be, and we'll ensure that all stakeholders, farming community in particular, are going to be the first beneficiaries of this. We are very excited also about this relationship because it also helps us demonstrate that by joining hands with our partners, the Lesotho Defence Force, we can be able to put together a plan of action that can boost the food industry in Lesotho. And we hope that this is the first in a long series of partnerships with the Lesotho Defence Force.
The commander of LDF, Lieutenant General Tadika Mudi, says if LDF partners with any other company, the nation should know that their property is being taken care of, adding that their partnership with LNDC guarantees them the intention to bring the cannery back to its expected production.
The Lesotho Defence Force has its primary role of seeing to it that this country is always intact. We can extend that into a secondary role, like in the partnership that we have just engaged into with LNDC, to see to it that Basotho nation do benefit from this project, and more especially the farmers, those at the countryside. This time around will be assured that their products will be collected timelessly and being taken to where they are supposed to be.
The Managing Director of Obtala Resources, Mr. Simon Rollerson, indicated that the opportunity of their company to work with the Army and LNDC represents an ideal opportunity, adding that going forward, the whole goal and intention is that through optimizing the cannery and working at a full capacity, will allow skill transfer to the local farmers and encourage farmers associations to have alternative crops, thus help bring more money into the society and local communities.
The cannery has been around for many years. It's never really been able to achieve its target of production, and the key reason is the supply, and this is the area that we wish to address. It's all about having the skill set and the logistics within the country to promote farming on a commercial scale that will fill the cannery to its capacity, and at the same time it will allow additional crops through training, through outgrow programs to provide into the local market, to allow Lesotho to be more sort of self-sufficient and less dependent on import products.
Obtala Resources Company owns 70% equity in the new joint venture of Basotho Fruit and Vegetable Cannery, while LNDC and LDF hold 20% and 10% respectively. Ntapase Heshepe, reporting for LTV News, Maseru.